Hi guys, today I show you the first part of my voxel engine I wrote in 100% GD script and with GD4. I took the idea from a recent video on the Minecraft terrain generation and tried to implement what I understood in this little demo. This is the part of the editor. What you see here is a slice from the side through the world and through the first 350 slices, and the side view here is generated in real time. And the interesting part is the noise, the 2D noise maps here, and here on top it's the top view of the generated terrain. Right now only one biome is supported, so it's sea, grass, and snowy mountains. And I think this is the hardest part to design the terrain with good parameters.